If you're a Nigerian in diaspora or you're just an individual who have been looking for a safe and secure property to buy in Centenary City that won't be demolished in the future, then Almond Garden is the best estate for you to buy today. Now, standing behind me is a 700 square meter plot which is inside Almond Garden Estate, and it is currently selling for 70 million naira. Now, Almond Garden comes with a general C of O, and as you can see, they already built up houses here and people are still building in this area. Now, this is the access road. This is to show you that this estate has everything you need. There is electricity, there is water supply, there is security in this environment. So this environment is secure for your buy and build immediately. It is a serene environment that you and your family can live in. All right, if you're looking for a safe and secure environment for your kids, this is the perfect estate for you. Okay, so make sure you call me now on the number that is displayed on your screen. Let me help you secure this 700 square meter plot inside Almond Garden Estate.